How to change your YouTube channel, logo, or profile picture. In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube channel logo or profile picture using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your Android phone or iPhone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, tap the U icon or your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen and click on View Channel. Then, tap the pencil icon to edit your channel profile. Now tap the camera icon on your current profile picture. You'll see the option to choose a photo from your gallery. Tap it and select the image you'd like to use as your new channel logo or profile picture. Adjust the image if necessary to make sure it looks the way you want. Once you're happy with it, tap Save as Profile Picture. That's it. You've successfully changed your YouTube channel logo or profile picture. Your new profile picture may take a few moments to appear across YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.